So in this video, we want to sketch y equals x cubed plus 2. So let's draw some axes. X and y, okay. Now, in the previous video, we saw what the shape of y equals x cubed was like. Now, if you add 2, then that translates the graph up 2 units. So the same shape, but now that stationary point will be at 2 on the y-axis instead. So let me just start that again. So something like this, and then something like this. Okay, so this point here will be at 2. Now, it does bring about this other point of interest where it crosses the x-axis. Now, that would be when y is 0, okay? Now, you could put y as 0 and then try to solve this cubic equation. It's not so easy because you've also got to deal with the fact that you're cube rooting a negative value, which is fine, but the actual number that you get out isn't very nice. So, if we put y as 0, and we subtract 2 from both sides, so unlike square rooting, you can cube root a negative number because, well, minus 2 all cubed is minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, which is a negative number. Okay, so it's minus 8. So the cube root of minus 8 must be negative 2. So when we're cube rooting minus 2, you get minus the cube root of 2. It's not a very nice number, it's an irrational number, and that's equal to x. And so this is where it crosses the x-axis. So not a very nice point, but it can be found, okay? For us, we really just want to focus on where the stationary point is. We can work out where they cross the y-axis, fine. We're not going to worry too much about where they cross the x-axis because that will generally involve solving a nasty cubic, which we don't really want to have to deal with. Okay? But it is algebraically possible to do that, but I'm not going to focus on that in these videos.